Okay, let's go over how to draw Pomni from the Amazing Digital Circus, but buff. Alrighty? Really strong. So let's do it. Gonna go right here. It's gonna be step by step, by the way. So go right here, and I'm gonna draw a curve line right there for kind of the headband area. Well, kind of like a headband area. I'll show you what I mean. Line out down, and line out down over here. We're gonna let it out over here down. So for the sides of the hair, and out over here for side of the hair. So those are the sides of the hair, basically. Let's go into the eyes. Circle for one eye. Go over here now. Circle for the other eye. Kind of these huge round eyes. Alrighty. Gonna go over here. Line. Down over here. Up. Down over here. Up. For like the bangs. And we're gonna fill this in, by the way. Let's fill this in. Fill it in over here. Curve and curve, you know, because it's going to be the pectoralis muscles right there. Alrighty, and we're going to go over here. Circle for the eyes. Dot. Okie doke. We're going to draw a curve line here for the mouth. All around the corners over here. Looks like kind of like a bean shape, the mouth. Line on the side. And a thin line across. So she's like gritting her teeth, right? Circle right here. Circle right here for the rosy cheek area. Up. Curve. Down. Out over here, out over here, right? This is for kind of that area, right? Excuse me. That area of the hat right here, the jester hat. And we're going to draw a circle at the end of one and circle at the end of the other. Alrighty. Going to go over here now. Line over here. Down right here. The chest area. Down over here for the pectoralis. And over here, the other pectoralis. Out over here, down. Out over here, down for the deltoids. And we draw a line down. Pulling in. And line across here. And we're going to throw a thin line through the middle right there to show the pattern change. Draw a circle right there for kind of the outfit. It has the ball on the outfit there. And then we're going to go over here down to show the color change over here as well. I'm just going to add that on. Normally there isn't one, but I'm going to do that. Down over here. Leg out. And now we're going to go over here to the hat. Down over here. Over here, this hat. Down over here. Line in the middle. Line up. Curve. Down. down over here, curve, curve, over here, elbow, and down over here for the, the rest of the arm. So elbow over here, and curve around here, and down right there. Line over here for some muscles in that area. And maybe right here, draw a little line. A lot of it's going to be also like detail of the muscle now, to be honest. So it's going to be pretty simple. So maybe a thicker line around here, over here, line across the belt, over here, line down here, and fill it out. Just putting a little bit of shadow here on the armpit area because it's going to make it look a little bit more like intense, right? A little bit more dramatic also. It makes a little bit more sense as well. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way. Absolutely hit the like. I noticed that some people forget. Definitely hit that like if you do, by the way. If you do, that's only if you do, but definitely hit that like button. I want to hit, start hitting at least maybe 10 likes every video if possible. That's kind of my goal, But, we'll see how it goes, right? And just kind of putting thicker lines everywhere else. That is it. That is Pomni. That is a really, built version of Pomni. But what I want you to do is I want you to stay here, and we're going to go into another video together, okay? You put a line over here, like, thin lines right here, to put, like, veins or something like that, right? Alrighty, just like, there you go. I want to thank you very much. You're awesome. But like I said, stay here. We're going to do another video together right now, okay? Let's do another video right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.